Hello friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Today let us see, is cinnamon good for diabetes? Its benefits. The amount of cinnamon recommended for good health. That follows with the preparation of a healthy recipe. Let us start. Cinnamon is a healthy spice that is added in various dishes around the world. It helps in lowering the blood sugar and reduces the effects of diabetes. It is extensively used in breakfast cereals and traditionally used in making medicine and works as a food preservative. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that have numerous health benefits. It helps in reducing oxidative stress and may help in protecting against the effect of diabetes. It increases the sensitivity of insulin by moving glucose more efficiently into cells, thus helps in lowering the blood sugar level. It lowers the blood sugar post meals that follows with slowly emptying the stomach and further helps in blocking the digestive enzymes. It lowers the complications that come with diabetes like heart disease and decreases bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels. It also helps in improving the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Cinnamon helps in lowering blood sugar and fight against diabetes. It helps in lowering the blood pressure as you have to limit its intake to 1 to 2 grams per day. There are two types of cinnamon known as Ceylon cinnamon and cassia cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon contains higher amounts of coumarin that may result in liver and kidney damage and hypoglycemia if consumed in high amounts. Ceylon cinnamon is also known as true cinnamon and is better to use this type only for the betterment of your health. Studies have shown that cinnamon can lower blood sugar and manage diabetes. However, it is advisable to use cinnamon in moderate quantity only. Usage of 1 gram, half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon per day is recommendable. Now let us prepare an apple cinnamon smoothie for diabetes control. Please note down the ingredients. You need apple 1 cup chopped, Ceylon cinnamon powder half teaspoon, natural peanut butter 1 tablespoon, chia seeds 1 tablespoon and unsweetened almond milk 1 cup. Note down the method. Add all the ingredients into a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour it into a glass and serve. I hope the information on the most authentic spice will be beneficial to you to understand the sugar levels and hence would love to prepare the simple smoothie for your loved ones. Thank you.